Well, we're here at Max Medical with day 2 with robotic hair restoration with Pedro. The reason we're splitting it 2 days, yesterday we completed the site making with the robot. It took less than 45 minutes to complete the procedure. One of the reasons we do it the day before, not because we would like to work for 2 days, it's actually beneficial for the patient. After making incision the day before, what happens, the body will attempt to heal it, and the way it happens physiologically that it creates a lot of it attracts a lot of platelets to the area that release growth factors. So when we ready to implant those grafts, there's a lot of growth factors in the area, and that helps with better regenerative processes and faster healing too. So how was your experience
Good.
yesterday?
It was very good. It didn't feel long at all. There was no pain whatsoever. And I went home and I just slept fine. Absolutely zero complications, no pain. Didn't feel dizzy at all. I slept just fine.
Great.
It
So
was very good.
it's also make it much easier for today. Today we just have to start harvesting from the back, also with the robot, and as soon as we're done, it takes about 2 hours, and then we'll start placing grafts back to where they belong. Okay, so we'll keep you updated.